Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the beautiful Suncoast Casino in Las Vegas, and we're going to learn how to play 3-card poker with Rosalba. What is the first thing I need to learn if I'm playing? So these are my chips, guys.
Yes.
I didn't pay for them, we're just playing. Let's start back here. What is, if I wasn't going to play this part, how would I bet?
Okay. You gotta play this and this if you wanna play the game. You cannot play this one without that.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
but this is, you don't have to play this, but you must play these two.
This is optional, but this is
yeah, those are mandatory.
Yeah.
You have to play the minimum bet at whatever table is. So make sure you look at what the minimum bet is at each table, because I couldn't put 5.
Okay. If you want, let's put $10 here.
$10 is 2 chips. So the first place I would put it is on the
right here. Ante.
Okay. All right, here we go. I have $10, which is the minimum bet. I've never played before. You guys are going to learn with me. Let's go.
Okay.
So I can touch the cards, right? Just basic house rules. Someone next to me when I'm playing in Vegas, can I go, hey, you guys, what do you think? No.
Oh, the rule is you cannot have the cards out from the table. Okay, the dealer qualify with queen or better.
If you have less than a queen, you toss the cards and we start again?
No. This bet, I don't have to pay this bet if I don't qualify. Okay.
Do I still play if you don't qualify?
Yeah, it's just up to you. You can play even if you don't have nothing. The dealer has to qualify to pay both payouts.
With a queen or
queen or better.
Okay.
Let me see what you got.
No.
Come on.
Okay. I'm a little bit confused. I don't have a flush. I don't have a straight.
But you got king or better. So king is a good. I mean, in this game, everybody plays with the king.
So when I'm playing, obviously I don't put it down. Do you flip your cards first before I decide if I want to play?
No.
Okay, so I have to decide. So would you say, because I have a king which is high, I should play?
Yes.
That's kind of the rule? So if I want to play, what do I do?
You got to put the same amount right here. Same amount and then from the ante.
Okay, so if I want to play, I take my chips, I put 10 or more. Can I do more?
No, no more.
Whatever, I have to match?
Yes, the same amount.
And then do I put my hand?
Turn the cards.
Down?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do this way.
Come on, baby.
Okay.
Did I beat you?
Let's
no.
see. Okay, this is my cards. You gotta beat me.
My cards has to be higher. I have a king.
Yes.
I have to be higher than a 9 and a jack to beat you.
Yes. So I beat you this time because this is good. You know, you're okay here, but
match.
this is high.
Okay.
This is higher than this one.
Okay. Okay.
So
all right. Let's do that again. We'll talk about these bonuses later, but let me try to get this.
Okay. Let me shuffle again.
Okay. Do you usually shuffle after each hand?
Every
hand you shuffle.
Yes.
That's a Vegas rule or a house rule here?
I think it's Vegas rule.
Okay. Yeah. So Jerry says, if it's kind of a basic rule, if you have a queen, 6 or 4, play the hand. Okay.
Play the hand.
Good to know.
And any ace or king.
Or any ace or king, because those are high cards. Okay.
Okay. So
I want to make sure they can hear.
You gotta put
oh, that's right. Rosalba is not letting me slide. I've got to put the chips down before we play. All right, here we go. This is kind of fun. I would say this is kind of easy, or am I missing something?
No,
it's an
really
easy poker game.
Okay. You cannot bet. Well, you can do
that.
No,
right.
But if you do that, you cannot see the cards because you play in blind.
Got it. Do some people do that? Like
some
roll
people,
the die? Don't do. I would not do that. I want to see my cards. So start here. I can now look at my cards. Oh, I am going to beat you. I'm going to win, as far as I understand. And I don't see your cards. You know what, Rosalba? I'm going to play.
Okay.
If I wanted to bet 20, would I have to start 20 here?
Yes. You got it.
I have to match the ante, right? I can never go. Okay.
No.
I'm going to play.
All right.
Do I have to tuck it under? Or
Yes.
just, yes.
Okay.
I think we should play tonight. Unless you want to play right now.
Oh, I think I won. is an easy game, you guys. I think
Okay.
I won. Oh my goodness. Really? It's that easy?
That is, yeah.
Okay, I think I got the basics. We can go back and play. Let's talk about the pair plus and the 6-card bonus. Maybe starting with the pair plus.
Okay, the pair plus, you can play this one, no matter what, even if the dealer has a bigger hand, if you got some like this, like stray or pair or whatever, you got pay here no matter what.
In order to win the pair plus, I have to get either a straight flush, 3 of a kind, straight flush, or pair.
But even if you lose these ones, you got paid there.
Question: if I had one of these things, why would I lose that? Aren't these
Because this is against the dealer, but this is not. Okay. Let's see, I got a stray and you got flash.
Yes.
So I take your money right here, but you got paid here.
Oh, I get it. Yes. Okay, so it's important for them to know, kind of memory. Oh, well, it's right here. To know that your payouts are
everything
different.
is in the layout. That is the good thing.
Okay, so I have to play these in order to play this.
Yes.
So it's a bonus to that. Okay. The 6-card bonus is what now?
6-card bonus is playing your 3-card and my 3-card. So let's see if you got a pair of aces, and I got 1 ace right here. Right here you got 3 of a kind, and you got paid like 3 of a kind. 5 to 1.
And what is the bonus for the 6-card?
This one.
Oh, there. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it says it.
Yeah. Here is a royal flush.
Because with 6 cards, I could get that.
Yeah.
Yes, I get it. So I can do all of this at one time, right?
Yeah, you can do that.
Rosalba's gonna deal me a hand where I would actually win.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. This is your cards.
Yes.
So check your cards.
Rosalba.
Very bad, right?
Yes.
Very bad. But play those cards anyways. You take the chance this time.
This time, but
This
normally
time, nobody play those.
Nobody.
But-
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna play them for the
The
sake
cards
of my tutorial.
Face down. Thank
First.
you. Yeah, and then the chips.
Okay.
Good. All right. So now I got nothing. I didn't qualify because
You
I don't
didn't.
have queen high.
Okay.
Okay. So right here, this is a push, but you got paid here
So I won.
Got paid on that.
because I didn't qualify.
Yes.
Qualified to play the hand.
So I'll always get, if you don't qualify, I'll get my ante and I will push on my regular bet. That seems really fair. Am I wrong?
Well, it's why some people, play even if it's nothing, if it's
Correct.
crazy.
Because what you're betting on is you might not qualify.
Yeah. Okay, let me find another hand. That way you can see how it works.
So now we're gonna play pair plus. So I'm gonna put $10 because it's the minimum. I'm gonna actually put 20 on the pair plus. And we have to get one of these. Straight flush, 3 of a kind, straight flush or pair in order to win this. I can win my regular hand and lose this, right?
Yeah.
Or the other way around. Okay. All right, here we go. Come on. So then I pick up my cards. Oh, you guys. What does that look like to you? I think I have a winning hand. Once I look at it, I'm gonna put it down on play, place my bet, because we have a winning hand, guys. You didn't qualify.
I qualify because I got flush.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Ooh, yes. I
got
was looking
flush.
for that queen. She qualified with a flush. And I have
You got
a
a straight. So in this game, this one is higher than this.
Right. So okay. Yes, a straight is higher than.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right here, you
Yes.
got pay. This is a special bonus, anti-bonus. Okay. And this is $20 here.
Okay. Let me understand here. So I won the bet, so I get this back, right? I got a straight, so it's a special bonus, so I get double what I put.
Well, if you got a straight, you got pays 1-to-1.
Right.
So this is the regular pay.
Yes.
But this is the bonus
Why did I get a bonus?
because it's the anti-bonus.
Oh,
This is bonus.
okay.
Okay. And this is the per plus pays 6 times whatever your bet is. So let's see, this is $20. So
Because
you-
it's 6-1. Wow,
6 to
that's
1,
could be
120.
if you have a good hand.
Yeah.
This is the only game where the straight is higher than the flush.
Correct. The straight
And
is
it's only
higher.
3 cards, so it's not 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, let's see. If you play this one,
If I had this hand with the 6-card, playing the 6-card bonus.
yeah, let me find the
Let me remove this so they could see. This is
7.
our bet, right? If I did have it on the 6-card bonus, I would now be
Okay.
playing with your cards.
yeah, right here you got a stray, 5-card stray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 7, 8, 9, 10 jack.
Wow.
So you got paid here,
I got a straight. What would I get paid?
10-to-1. So this is
$10.
$10, so pays $50 for every $5. So it's $100.
Oh, I really made a lot of money on that hand.
You understand how you got that though? You got the Jack, 10, 9,
Correct.
8, 7.
This using
Uh-huh.
her cards, because in the 6-card bonus, I would now use her cards to make a hand of 5 cards, and with the 7, the 8, the 9, 10, and Jack, I get a
Uh-huh.
straight.
Yep. So let's
Does
see.
that happen a lot?
Yeah.
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 look at-
In the real life.
It happens, right?
In the real
People don't
life.
really bet it all the time.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
You got the flush and I got the straight.
Okay. If these were my cards, right,
Yeah.
and those were your cards,
So in this case, this is higher than that one.
Yes.
So you lost these ones
I lost my play and my ante
because this is against the
because I lost
The
this,
dealer.
lost that. Okay.
But you got paid here 3 times
Because I still got the straight from using your cards.
because you got the flush. So I'm paying for the flush.
Flash.
This is per plus flush 3 times, 3-to-1. And
My
you still got
ante won a. Wait, what did I win? Sorry, I won the flush.
These 2 lost because you didn't beat her hand.
Correct. I lost these
But you
because I
got
didn't
a
beat
flush,
it. Okay, I got a
So
flush.
you won this hand. This one doesn't have to deal with against her hand.
This was the pair. I won this.
Yes.
yeah,
Pair
Which is
plus
3-1.
3-to-1. I pay 3 times.
Ooh, that's a lot to keep up with.
Pair
Okay.
plus
And-
doesn't have anything to do with this hand.
Yes.
It's only your 3
It's
cards.
only the 6-card bonus that has something
Only your
to that.
3 cards.
Correct. If
And
this
you still
one
got
does.
this one, you
Yes.
know, because it still is the
Now I won a
straight.
straight for the 6-card bonus.
Yeah,
And what did I win there?
this is the payout for the,
Because a straight is 10-1.
Yeah,
Wow.
same.
There's a lot of things going on here. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
3-card poker.
But if I came to Las Vegas for the first time and I was a beginner, is it okay to ask the dealer to help me?
Yeah, always the dealer can help you.
Yes.
Always.
I can show you my hands and you can
Yeah.
help. Okay.
Even to set up or to tell you if he's good hand or not.
I
you
can
know?
say
we
what you
always
think.
be honest with the.
So that's true in any Las Vegas casino. I can ask the dealer.
Yeah, it's part of our job, you know.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
true. Okay, Rosalva, let me ask you, what are a lot of beginners come to Las Vegas. What are your tips for them when they first come to Las Vegas if they want to play 3-card poker?
Okay.
I would
For-
say, let me guess for the first one. I would say if you're coming, would it be a good idea to at least learn,
play low first.
Okay.
You know, because that way,
start slow?
yeah, start slow.
Okay.
And then show the cards, ask.
Ask questions.
In this game,
Yes.
and other games like Payouts, that is the good thing. You know, you can show the cards, everybody can help you. So
I can
no
ask-
way you cannot throw the card, with something there and
Yes.
lose money.
Correct.
Yeah.
But I think
So-
maybe another good tip would be to understand what you're
Yeah.
you're trying to get, right?
Yeah.
You have to know the basics
To
of
play
poker.
this game, at least you gotta know what's a flush, what's a straight.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we got it. Thank you,
All right.
Rosalba.
All right.
Thank you, guys. Okay, thank
Good.
you. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.